again. Today we are going to learn easiest way to paint sunflowers. So spring is on the way and I thought we should do some flower with watercolor. So watercolor should look very watery because it's watercolor. Very simple way I did it. Now I will go ahead and do the light green here. They are still not bloomed, so okay. Now first part is done. On second part we will take the color, make it little bit thicker than the first tone. So first, and then it is little bit thick. And the fun part of watercolor is just blending with the color. So most of the time inside of the flowers are dark, all way on the back is dark. But we have to make sure when it's dry it doesn't look very opaque because it's watercolor, so it looks transparent and watery. Okay, this is done. Now for the green part we have lighter color, so I will take some dark green and mix with a little bit of red or purple or whatever to give it a little bit richer look, because we just don't want to use the primary color what it comes in the box. So it's not straight green, I just added a little bit of purple. So the in between of the flower and inside in deep corners usually there is not much light, so it shows dark. But in open space it can be light and dark both. Okay. So this is done. Now if we want to let it dry, we can let it dry and then do the final touch up, or we can do it right away. But we have to make sure this time it's pretty thick and not much water in the paint, so it shouldn't spray too much. And I would do the darker color in the very deep corners. Maybe here is a flower. But we have to make sure the thickness is nice enough. When it's dry, it doesn't look like very dark or opaque. Okay, for green also we can go to really dark. inside, not on the outside, very inside, deep in the shadow areas. Okay, now we will let it sit for a little bit and then we can go from there. Now when it's dry enough, we can, on second layer, we shouldn't take too much water like first time, and then do the deep darker side with a little less water. Okay, now the green part, again we have to make sure we want to make it just for final touch up, make it dark green, and then I think this one is done, the dry one, and I will wait for this one to dry out and finish the other one. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and then I'll see you on the next video.